Once upon a time, there was a man who struggled to set up his video rig. He prayed day and night to the tech gods for a solution. It was then that his calls were answered.
I got a workshop full of wrenches, bits and bolts across the floor, but I found the little corner I've been looking for. Two legs made of iron, one dream doing its best to slide that sturdy workbench under my new rising best. And everybody said it'll never fit, but I measured twice, yeah, I'm proud of it. Now it's under the where there was a mess. When the tabletop climbs to the sky, that workshop bench just rests below, nice and shine. Oh, I feel like I passed the test. Got my world looking nice and lasts. Whether the workshop desk. Took a shuffle and a shimmy, a twist of fate and wait and see. A little sweat on a Saturday, you know the DIY feel. Now there's room for all my projects, from the tiny to the grand. And that rising desk just above it feels like it finally understands. Cause every inch counts when you're building dreams. You make a little magic with some elbow grease. Now it's under the making space where there was a mess. When the tabletop climbs to the sky, that workshop bench just rests below, nice and shine. Yeah, I feel like I passed the test. Got my world organized and less. But with a workshop desk. Could be wood and metal stacked just right. A little symmetry, and now my workshop feels so light. It's all under the rising desk, but by this little feat, I guess. Now the chaos pulls makes room for flow. Tools lined up inside your row. Oh, the feeling couldn't last for less. My tuners keep contest the best with a workshop desk. Under the rising desk.
I had a problem, a space that was tight, a standing there stealing all of the light. It's sleek and it's modern, it moves up so high, but the workbench below it just caught in my eye. I saw with my clamps and my measuring tape was shoved in the corner, a sad dusty shape. The floor plan was cluttered, the mess wouldn't cease till I found the solution to buying some peace. Oh, the underdesk shuffle, the perfect retreat, a workshop below for my hands and my feet. When hide in the width. Took a trip to the lumber yard, armed with my myth that a desk could hold two functions of duality strange. A carpenter's fantasy waiting to change. Built it with casters and a steel reinforced frame, so when the time came it would roll in its name. It sits just 3 inches from the floor, nice and low, a sturdy foundation where the good heights grow. The underdesk shuffle, the perfect retreat, a workshop below for my hands and my feet. When the standing desk passes, the money clears, the low bench rolls out and my maker space appears. From 10 feet to 3, the utility grows. After the workspace, everybody knows the secret to saving square footage rent. The workshop beneath by design, heaven sent. No move in the project when we're switching the chair. One pull and it's ready, those tools right there. My laptop for coding and my vest for the wood. Efficiency's met and the sun just stood and take a hat been and seen that it fit. Underdesk shuffle, the perfect retreat, a workshop below for my hands and my feet. When the standing desk rises, the monitor clears, the lower bench rolls out and my maker space appears. From 10 feet to 3, the utility grows. After the workspace, everybody knows the secret to saving your square footage rent. The workshop beneath by design, heaven sent. Roll it in, roll it out. Underdesk shuffle, that's what it's all about. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
I built my space with care, tools lined in a row, hammer and saw, where the ideas flow. But I found a trick, a secret I confess. Slide the workshop desk beneath the one that lifts. Oh yes, desk under desk, rising to the sky. As one stays grounded, the other climbs high. Stacking up my dreams in wood and steel they rest. I'm working double time with the desk under desk. Someone's electric, it hums as it goes. The bottom's so faithful, the scars that show. Together they're